There are plenty motivations theory and psychology, and I want to tell you more about the arousal theory of motivation. The arousal theory of motivation states that the motivation is dictated by specific levels of arousal, which in psychology correspond to levels of mental alertness. People have different levels of optimal arousal. There is interesting corollary related to the optimal arousal, and it is Yerkes-Dodson law. It states that increasing mental alertness level will only improve motivation and performance up to a point. When this threshold is extended, arousal has a negative effect, which leads to decreased performance and therefore motivation. This means that you have specific optimal arousal level unique to you, and it is up to you to seek out experience that optimize your motivation and performance. Several studies have shown that moderate level of arousal often leads to maximum motivation. That is why people tend to take actions that help them reach their optimal level of arousal. Scientists point out that moderate arousal is best for difficult tasks, while higher or lower arousal might be good for simple tasks. Research also shows that the presence of others also seems to affect task performance. This is known as social facilitation. You may ask how to achieve optimal arousal and motivation. If you need to raise your arousal levels, you might engage in physical activity, socialize with friends, try something new and exciting, or watch an action-packed movie. On the other hand, if you need to lower your arousal levels, you might engage in relaxing hobby, read a book, take a bath, or take a nap. What are the benefits and drawbacks of the arousal theory? Well, the benefits is that you can control it yourself. You can help others to find their optimal level of arousal, and it is balanced. But this theory also has some drawbacks. For example, arousal only stems from motivation. It does not explain how our motivation is related to our complex social needs. To sum up, I will point up some keywords. Your mental alertness affects both motivation and task performance. People have optimal level of arousal that they aim to achieve. Too much or too little arousal can decrease performance and demotivate you. Motivation is about striking the right balance, which is unique for each and every individual. Thank you for your attention.